Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. In this video, we are going to learn about the lesson 6 of your HSC 12th standard textbook Rencontre. So what is the title of this lesson? It is Un coup d'œil sur le monde de la francophonie. A glance. A coup d'œil means a glance on the world of the francophonie. So francophonie means such countries where French is being spoken. Okay. La francophonie, c'est l'ensemble des pays ou régions où l'on parle français. The francophonie means together, ensemble means together, the countries or the regions where we speak French. Sur 5 continents, environ 300 millions de personnes sont francophones. In 5 continents, environ means around 300 million people are francophone. They speak French. Certains pays francophones sont proches de la France. Some countries francophone are near the France. So they are near the France, some countries francophone, comme la Suisse ou la Belgique, like the Switzerland or the Belgium. D'autres sont sur des continents différents. The other countries are on different continents, comme le Canada ou Madagascar, like Canada or Madagascar. Comment pourrait-on réunir et donner une identité aux francophones du monde? How can we reunite and give identity to the francophone? Francophone mean the people who talk in French or who speak French in the world. Okay. So for that purpose, in 1970, en 1970, on a fondé la Organisation Internationale de la Francophonie. So in 1970, there was founded an organization. So its name is what? Organisation International of the Francophonie. So le 20 mars, the 20th March, en fait la Journée internationale de la francophonie. We celebrate the International Francophonie Day. So French language day. Okay. C'est une fête de pays francophone. This is a festival of the countries where people are francophone. Pendant cette fête, during this festival, il y a des concerts, des projections de films, des événements sportifs et beaucoup d'autres activités. During this festival, there are various concerts, various projections of films, and other sportive events, and a lot of other activities. Autre means other. Notre famille francophone. Les 2 années d'études sont vite passées. So this textbook has given you like there were some students, they were learning, they were in college. Okay, so now the 2 years of the students have come to an end. Les 8 amis sont prêts à retourner chez eux. The friends are prepared, are ready to return at their own places. Ils parlent de leur projet d'avenir. They are speaking of their future plans. So Ira, and the Ira is Indian. She says, Je travaillais pour l'ONG. ONG is, it is given on the next page. It is an organization which is non-governmental. Médecins Sans Frontières. So doctors without borders. So she is going to travel worldwide as a doctor. Je voyagerai autour du monde. I am going to travel around the world. Now Neil is also Indian. Neil says what? Je suis stagiaire au sein CERN. So he is an intern at this place, which is an institut célèbre de recherche nucléaire. So this is an institute where nuclear energy research is done. Je pourrais y continuer ou bien travailler dans un institut de recherche en Inde. I can continue there or I can travel in another institute of research in India. Now Maya is Mauritian, l'île Mauritius. Okay, so she says, mes parents ont une agence de voyage. My parents have an agency of travel. I would like to work there. J'aimerais y travailler. Robert is Canadian. Robert, he says, je voudrais m'installer en France. I would like to settle myself in France. Ma mère vient de Nice. My mother comes from the city of Nice in France itself. Et j'ai des cousins là-bas, and I have my cousins over there. Comme je suis québécois, since I come from Quebec, québécois, je suis déjà bilingue. I am already bilingual because he knows both the languages. Okay. The next page. Mehdi. Mehdi Marocain, he says, je vais suivre ma passion, étudier dans une école d'hôtellerie. So I am going to follow my passion, which is what to study in a school of hotellerie school. Okay. J'ouvrirai. I am going to, or I would open my restaurant, the cuisine Moroccan of France Talavani. I'll open my restaurant of Moroccan cuisine in France in the future. Aisha is Tunisian. She says, moi, j'aimerais bien étudier dans une des HSC. I would like to study in one of the HEC. HEC is what? Haute École de Commerce, in high schools of commerce. Et travailler plus tard and work later in an dans une entreprise multinational, in an MNC. She'd like to work in an MNC, multinational company. Now Abdel is Algerian. He says, moi, je serai entraîneur de football. Me, I am going to be a football trainer. Et un jour and one day, peut-être means maybe, perhaps, j'aurai ma propre académie de sport. I would have my proper academy of sports. C'est mon rêve d'enfance. This is my childhood dream. Rêve means dream. Enfance means childhood. Now Eric is French. He says, nous resterons toujours une grande famille francophone. He says, we all in different parts of the world will always remain a big francophone family. I hope you're through with this lesson. Francophonie means such country other than France where French is being spoken. Francophone means such people who speak French. Okay. So I hope you're through with this video. You can rewatch it, write down the meanings of the words in which you have doubt. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.